To get started, head over to the Hunyuan website. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you're there, go ahead and sign up for a free account. After signing up, log in, and you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can start creating your video. Now that you're logged in, you can either upload your own content, like images or video clips, or you can use text prompts to generate videos directly. One of the best parts about Hunyuan is the customization options. You can choose different settings like video resolution, style, and duration. This means you can make the video fit your exact needs, whether it's a short clip or a full-length project. Once you've set everything up, it's time to hit Generate or Render. Hunyuan will process your input and create a high-quality video based on the text prompt or content you uploaded. This can take a few minutes, so be patient as the AI works. Once your video is ready, simply click Download to save it to your computer. You can choose from different file formats like MP4 or MOV, depending on your needs. Now you have a fully AI-generated video. If you want to fine-tune your video, Hunyuan also offers some basic editing tools. You can adjust things like color grading, scene transitions, or even add text to your video. It's super easy to give your project that extra polish. And that's it. You've now created a stunning video using Hunyuan AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials on AI video tools, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.